Hello traders. In this video I will share the results of my experience using the little crazy expert advisor. The MQL5 expert advisor is priced quite expensive. But in the previous video I shared the little crazy expert advisor for free. The video series this time is part 3. If you haven't watched the previous video, you can check the previous video on this channel. Okay, go ahead. In this video I will explain a few things. If you are a new viewer, I suggest you subscribe to this channel and get a premium expert advisor for free every time I upload a video. And for viewers who have subscribed, I thank you very much for your support. Your support means a lot to me. One. Little crazy EA preset settings and terminal information that I use. This is the display when Little Crazy EA Expert Advisor is running. I run 3 pairs here. New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. There are no settings that I can set here. Just like this. And for the terminal I use, version 4.00 build 1361. Currently trading is still running and is in floating minus. My trading started on November 18, 2022 with a capital of $1,000 and until now it is still making a profit. For details, you can look at the transaction history here. As you can see, this expert advisor uses the martingale system. 2. Details of trading transactions. For more details, I will show a trading report using mifxbook.com. Previously, I had connected my trading account with mifxbook.com account. If you don't know how to connect a MetaTrader trading account with a Mifxbook account, I have provided a tutorial on this channel. Okay, here the deposit starts from $1,000. The drawdown that ever occurred was 40.42%, with an estimated monthly forecast earnings of 11.57%. And an estimated daily profit of 0.33%. You can also see the growth chart here. The total gain obtained is 25.7%. And I will also show information from the balance, profit, and drawdown tabs. Next I will switch to the advanced strategy menu. Profitability 79% won. And lost 21%. Total trading transactions 38 trades. For 3 pairs. For more details, you can pause and pay attention to other information. Like profit factors, average win, and average loss. Of the 3 pairs that I mentioned, the New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pair here is the winner with a total profit of $154.45. As additional information, I will see hourly, daily, risk of ruin, and duration information. From the trading activity information, I will show you once again the trading history that has occurred from November 2022 to now in January 2023. For about 2 months. The biggest loss is $24.21 and the biggest profit is $30.85. The longest trading duration can be up to 20 days. Opened from December 1, 2022. And closes on December 21, 2022. Okay, then I'll see the actual monthly profit from November to date. In November got a profit of 6.53%, December 4.43% and January 2023 of 12.97%. 3. How to download Expert Advisor. To get this Expert Advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at tradea.com. Type Little Crazy in the search field. And click on the title. Then scroll down looking for the download button. I have directed the download link to Google Drive as a storage medium. You can download it here. Please note, Little Crazy's expert advisor uses the mshmg32.dll file. For some users this is quite an obstacle. But if you want to try, it doesn't hurt either. You need to download this file and put it in your MetaTrader folder. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thanks.